In this video, I'll show you how to create the zoom in, zoom out animation in PowerPoint as an opening to easily spice up your presentation. Let's just get straight to the point. Alright, first of all, insert a picture from your device and then make sure it fills the entire slide. Go to the crop option and then get rid of the unused part of the picture. Click on Insert tab, draw a big text box on the slide, and type your text. This picture you see here is Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. So I'm just gonna type Brazil. Make sure to make it as big as possible, change the font, and then recolor it to white. Alright, go to the Insert tab and then draw a rectangle to fill the slide. Get rid of the outline and change the color to whatever you like. My PPT is about Brazil, so I think green or yellow is good. Send the shape backward, select and block the shape and the text, then combine them. It looks good. Go to slide 1 and duplicate it. On slide 2, zoom out as far as possible and then while holding Ctrl and Shift key, expand the rectangle size as big as possible until you can slip the slide in between of the text like this. Alright, for the next step, it's a piece of cake. Select and block all of the slides and then in the transition tab, activate Morph transition. Don't forget to adjust the duration to whatever you like. So now, in preview mode, your slide will look something like this. Easy, right? By the way guys, that's just an opening. You can add some variation to the next slide. Maybe like this. Don't forget to subscribe for more straight to the point videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.